You know, when it comes to fitness, there's this misconception that you need a gym full of equipment to get results. But let me tell you, resistance bands are like the unsung heroes of the workout world. They're versatile, portable, and can be your best friend in the quest to reduce body fat quickly. So, let's dive into some killer exercises that can transform your routine without the need for heavy weights or fancy machines. First off, let's talk about the classic squat. Grab that resistance band, place it just above your knees, and feel the burn as you push through your heels. It's not just about getting low, it's about engaging those glutes and quads while the band adds that extra challenge. Then, we have the banded push-up. Wrap the band around your back and hold the ends in your hands. As you lower yourself, the band provides resistance, making each rep feel like a mini battle. You'll be amazed at how quickly your upper body strength improves. Next up is the bent-over row. Stand on the band, bend at the hips, and pull those handles towards your waist. This one's fantastic for your back and biceps, and it really gets your heart rate up. Speaking of heart rate, let's not forget about the banded lateral walk. With the band still above your knees, take side steps and feel the burn in your outer thighs. It's a simple move, but it's incredibly effective for toning those legs. Now, if you want to target your core, the banded Russian twist is a game changer. Sit on the floor, hold the band with both hands, and twist from side to side. You'll not only feel the burn in your abs, but also engage your obliques. And let's not overlook the banded glute bridge. Place the band around your thighs, lie on your back, and lift your hips. Squeeze those glutes at the top, and you'll feel the difference in no time. For those looking to spice things up, try the banded overhead press. Stand on the band, lift it overhead, and feel the strength in your shoulders. It's a full-body move that gets your heart pumping. And if you're feeling adventurous, the banded mountain climber will get your core and cardio working overtime. Just place the band around your feet and drive those knees towards your chest. Finally, let's wrap it up with the banded tricep extension and the banded deadlift. Both are fantastic for building strength and burning fat. The beauty of these exercises is that they can be done anywhere, anytime. You don't need a gym membership or a personal trainer. Just grab your resistance band and get to work. Consistency is key, and before you know it, you'll be on your way to a fitter, healthier you.